This is a Star Wars 3 Plus bb-8 Squeeze and I Talk toy. And we're giving it to Xander.
Open. Open.
Shall we open it? Go. Let me show you. Let me show you.
Because he might go on the rack, isn't it, Daddy? Oh no, I can dry it in the dryer. Here you go. Dry in the dryer.
bb8. bb8. Tissue. Tissue.
Did he show you?
Baby. Mommy, bb8.
Oh, bb-8. Give mommy bb-8. Mommy, Shasha.
He's trying to make it move.
Oh, I see that.
He's thinking, why doesn't it go? This one's a baby bb-8. bb-8 baby. Hmm? You need a tissue.
He cried just now.
bb8.
That's right, bb-8. But this one's a baby, it doesn't move. Daddy, make it speak.
bb8.